Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic that may seem small, but it can completely transform your financial life. That topic is small savings habits. Many people think that you need a high income to save big, but the truth is, real financial security starts with small, consistent habits. First, let's understand why small savings matter so much. Imagine saving just $5 every day. Many might think, what difference does $5 make? But let's do the math. $5 a day adds up to around $150 a month and approximately $1,800 a year. Now, if you don't just save it, but put it in a high-yield savings account or invest in an index fund, that small amount can grow into a significant sum over a few years. The real power of small savings lies in compound interest, earning interest on your interest. Now, let's look at where people spend the most unnecessarily in daily life and how you can save from these areas. The first major expense is coffee and drinks. Many people buy coffee every day from Starbucks or other coffee shops. On average, this can cost $90 to $120 per month. But if you make coffee at home, you can easily save $50 to $70 per month. And it's not just money. You're also healthier. The second big expense is restaurants and fast food. A typical meal out can cost $15 to $20. If you cut down just 2 meals out per week, you can save around $150 to $200 per month. Over a year, that adds up to well over $1,000. Cooking at home not only saves money, but also promotes better health. The third area is subscription services. Services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Spotify, or Amazon Prime. Many people keep 3 or 4 subscriptions, but rarely use them all. Once a month, check which ones you really need and cancel the rest. Small changes like this can save a lot of money. The fourth expense is transportation. Using Uber or Lyft frequently can cost hundreds of dollars each month. Public transportation, carpooling, or walking short distances can save money while also keeping you healthier. The fifth expense is impulse shopping. It's very easy to click Buy Now when shopping online. To avoid unnecessary purchases, implement a 24-hour rule. If you still feel you need it after 24 hours, then buy it. Most of the time, the urge disappears after a day. Now, let's see how small savings can turn into a bigger fund. Many people are unprepared for emergency. Studies show that nearly half of people don't have even $1,000 set aside for unexpected situations. So the first goal should be to build an emergency fund. By saving small amounts consistently, you can accumulate at least $500 to $1,000 within a few months. Next is retirement savings. Many think that saving for retirement is impossible without a large amount of money. But even saving just $50 per month in a 401k or IRA can grow into a substantial sum over several decades. These small contributions make a huge difference in retirement. So, how do you build small savings habits? First, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account. Second, use roundup apps like Acorns or Chime, which round up your purchases and save or invest the spare change. Third, set short-term goals, like saving $300 in the next 3 months. Achieving small goals makes longer-term goals easier. Fourth, use visual reminders. Track your savings in a mobile app or on paper. Seeing your progress boosts motivation. Finally, involve your family. Saving isn't about sacrifice, it's about smart habits. Teach kids to turn off the lights, avoid wasting water, and be conscious about spending. These small habits in the household can save hundreds of dollars every month. Friends, don't underestimate these small habits. Skipping 1 cup of coffee a day, cooking at home, canceling 1 or 2 subscriptions, and practicing mindful shopping can easily save you thousands of dollars each year. And if you invest this money, it can help you achieve bigger goals, buying a home, funding your children's education, or securing a comfortable retirement. Remember, big savings start with small habits. No matter how much you earn, if you don't control your expenses and build small savings habits, financial security won't come. Small, consistent actions and regular savings are what will one day give you true financial freedom. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on notifications for our next videos.